Alright, I'm going to test this battery here, and I'm going to use this solar battery tester, model BA7. Figured I'd bring you guys along and you can check it out, see how it works. It's supposed to test all kinds of different batteries, conventional, AGM, spiral wound gel, so it's kind of nice. Convenient little package. It'll tell you if it's okay. It has these 3 LEDs right here. It tells you if it's okay, or if it needs to be charged up and then retested, and then if it fails. So let's hook it up to this battery, see what it does. Right, as you can see, now that I have it connected, it tells us what our voltage is, 12.49. Hope you can read that. We'll just hit enter, and it'll let us do a battery or a system test, which is the charging system. We're just going to do battery. We'll hit enter. That's the different type of batteries. We're going to pick that for our standard. We'll hit enter. Cold cranking amps, that's how we want to do it. I know this is a 51R standard on these Hondas, and it's a 500 cold cranking amps. So we'll hit enter, and you see that it tells us cold cranking amps are 520, and it passed it with an OK. So this battery looks good. So as you can see, this was a quick little video on this solar battery tester. I bought this on my own. Nobody sent this to me. And it's a good little tool to test batteries. I've had this one for a while, and it works well. It's told me when batteries are bad, and it's told me when batteries are good. I haven't used it to do the charging system. I like to do that other ways, but for testing batteries, this is quick and easy. And I think they're like $40 or $50. I have to look. I'm not sure the price anymore, but I think they're around 50 bucks. But hey, as always, if you liked the video or it helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.